Model 2005 Iveco Daily 35 C12 with B3950 fully converted camper solar system. Nice. Body white camper. Mileage 98,078. MOT the 11th of September 2024. Engine 2287 cc IV 2.3. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. The coolant is pressurizing, so could possibly need head gasket needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is immaculate for its age and is possibly one of the cleanest Ivecos on this age we have ever seen. On the inside of this van we have a full camper conversion with everything from a bed to the kitchen sink. Truthfully, with only a bit of work this camper would be ready for you and the family to go on holiday to anywhere your heart desires. Great project, first to see will buy. Features: 4 former keepers, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.